student, good morning. Today we will discuss the topic derivative by using logarithm. When the function of type variable to the power variable that is f of x to the power g of x or any complex product or quotient, then we apply logarithm to find derivative. So here f of x to the power g of x, some example you will get sin x to the power cos x. Here it is the variable, here also variable. In this case you apply logarithm. Another case sin x, cos x, log x, e to the power x, x square plus 5, root over x plus 1. Here the complex multiplication and division. Complex multiplication and division. In this case we apply logarithm. ए केस रे कोन होइछि एटा वेरिएबल x वेरिएबल अछि ऊपर मध्ये वेरिएबल अछि वेरिएबल टू द पावर वेरिएबल देन वी अप्लाई लोगारिथम ए केस रे कोन करा होइछि ए द्वितीय केस सेकंड केस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 1 2 3 4 एंड डिवीजन ऑफ 2 ये द कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोडक्ट एंड डिवीजन इन दिस केस वी अप्लाई लोगारिथम ए दीटा केस रे हम लोगारिथम यूज करबा केमती लोगारिथम यूज करबा लेट अस सी वी विल डिस्कस मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस type 1 x to the power x let y equal to x to the power x you take let y equal to x to the power x दिया है जी x to the power x दिया है दिया वो y equal to x to the power x ये variable to the power variable in this case you take logarithm both sides that means log y equal to log x to the power x जे log ऊपर पावर अछि इन द पावर अछि log रो इन द पावर अछि पावर का आगु बळे आसीबो इट कम हियर देन राइट x log x here log y now you write differentiating with respect to x differentiating with respect to x याको डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करा with respect to x रे log y डेरिवेटिव 1 by y dy by dx कौन by dy by dx रे खाला है log y रो with respect to x रे बाहर करा होची then you write dy by dx here x log x there are two variables x and log x in this case we apply product rule रे कोन हो यूनिट भी आगे log x constant derivative of x plus x constant derivative of log x. Now find the derivative of x, x derivative 1, log x constant, log x into 1 you need. Here x, log x derivative 1 by x, x cot, then we get this is 1 into log x plus 1. Here 1 by y dy by dx equal to this one. Then we have to find the value of dy by dx. As dy by dx find out करिया पे 1 by y अछि y टा सेपट पळे जिवो then write y into log x plus 1 y value we have taken y equal to what y equal to x to the power x ए y पाखरे x to the power x से पुट कराबो log x plus 1 this is the derivative dy by dx a variable to the power variable one more example I will do for you एटा केमते होची आ गोटे बहुत इंपोर्टेंट एग्जांपल गोटे मु करूची लेट्स सी Second, find derivative or dy by dx, find dy by dx if y equal to cos x to the power sin x plus log x to the power 10x. Here variable to the power variable one part, second part is variable to the power variable second part. एबे दीटा थिबो माने याको आमे कोन करे u नै जिबा ए पार्ट को v नै जिबा. You take this is u and this is v. So y equal to what happens? Y equal to u plus v. This u and this v. Let we have taken. Then derivative dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Equation 1 number 1. So du by dx फाइंड आउट करा हबो, dv by dx फाइंड आउट करा हबो. दिरा फाइंड आउट हैला परे इक्वेशन 1 ने हमने पुट कर दवा dy by dx इक्वल r वैल्यू हमें पुट कर देले आंसर पड़े आसी. नाउ लुक एट हियर du by dx फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड du by dx. केमते du by dx फाइंड आउट करा हबो? u इक्वल टू लुक एट u इक्वल टू cos x to the power sin x. u इक्वल टू cos x to the power sin x. Then variable to the power variable, then you take log u equal to log cos x to the power sin x. एटी sin x पावर अछि, पावर टा को प्लेसियो कोन आसी एटी sin x into log cos x. Yes, sin x is the one part and log cos x is the second part. So for finding the derivative, here you apply u into v method. So differentiating with respect to x, 1 by u du by dx is equal to, here apply u into v method, log cos x constant, then find derivative dy by dx of sin x plus sin x constant dy by dx of log cos x into, again you find the cos x, dy by dx of cos x. Change formula. Here log cos x and cos x. So 1 by u du by dx equal to sin, then du by dx equal to u ऐसे पढ़े वाला हम कौन multiply है du by dx equal to u multiply करा हम u into, here sin x derivative is what? Cos x into log cos x. Cos x into log cos x constant plus here sin x log derivative log cos x means 1 by cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x. So put u value equal to what? Cos x to the power sin x. Cos x to the power sin x into, here cos x into log cos x plus sin x by cos x equal to tan x minus 8 equal to minus sin x into tan x. This is what cos du by dx, first part du by dx came. Now we have to find the value of dv by dx. dv by dx रो केमते value find out करा होची, let's see. Again we take v equal to log x whole to the power 10x. Here log find out कले log v equal to 10x आगो पड़े इसको 10x log अब log x है इधर वाला base है log x, log and log x both, then differentiate with respect x, differentiating with respect x. Log v derivative 1 by v dv by dx. Here you do method log x constant, derivative of dy dx of 10x plus 10x constant dy dx of log x means log x derivative into dy dx of log x. Log and log x derivative, total derivative and log x derivative separately. Change formula. dv by dx equal to b type divide होची b type एपट नेले b into केते असला इडी 10x derivative sec square x log x जेमति सुनतो log x constant plus here log x constant 10x constant log x ର derivative केते 1 by log x into log x derivative 1 by x. So instead of b you put what log x to the power 10x, log x to the power 10x, then sec square log x plus here it is 10x by x log x. The second part dv by dx came, this is the dv by dx. So putting both what du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. From equation number 1, here is the equation number 1. So now put the values, two values. First one du by dx equal to what came? Du by dx equal to du by dx equal to that value you put here dy by dx plus dv by dx you put here dv by dx. Both you put before result here it is given dv by dx value put here and du by dx value you put here, then that is the result of dy by dx, nothing else. Simply you write the two values dv by dx equal to this one dv by dx and dv by dx the previous answer came here put. Okay, so this is the second method. So important problem this one. Now we will discuss the complex product and division. Second, another type by application of logarithm. Type 2. Y equal to x minus 1 whole square root over 3x minus 1 by x cube root of x plus 1 into cube root of x plus 1. Here look at, there are two product form and there are two division form. So log apply kale kon habo, let's see. Log apply kale एटी कोन अछि, एटा होछि प्रोडक्ट अछि, एटा प्रोडक्ट अछि. log रो प्रॉपर्टी होछि log m into n equal to log m plus log n. Log m into n means here there are two product. So log x minus 1 whole square plus log root 3x minus 1 plus product. What these are what quotient division. So minus log x cube minus log cube root of x plus 1. Cube root of x plus 1. Now simplify this. The power will come here. The power ta एडी पळे आसीबो. कोन लेखा हबो 2 log x minus 1. Here power 1 by 2. Root means power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 आगु आसी हला. So 1 by 2 log 3x minus 1. एटी पावर केते अछि 3 अछि minus 3 log x. एटी पावर cube root means power 1 by 3. Power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 log x plus 1. Now differentiating with respect to x. with respect to x आपको with respect to x रे डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करले कोन हो log y रे डेरिवेटिव 1 by y dy by dx इक्वल टू एटी डेरिवेटिव केते 2 टा कांस्टेंट log रे डेरिवेटिव केते 1 by x minus 1 into आउ रे x minus 1 रे डेरिवेटिव 1 x रो 1 रो दिस वन एटी केते आसो सेकंड पार्ट रा प्लस 1 by 2 कांस्टेंट log रे डेरिवेटिव केते 1 by 3x minus 1 और 3x minus 1 रे डेरिवेटिव केते 3 here it is the minus 3 into log x derivative 1 by x here minus 1 by 3 log x plus 1 log derivative x plus 1 x plus 1 derivative 1 now dy by dx equal to y to support नहीं हुआ y into ठीक है दसला 2 by x minus 1 then 3 by 2 plus अच्छे थे 3 by 2 into 3x minus 1 here it is minus 3 by x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 then y value पुट करा वो y value y कोड के देते की ये वैल्यू टा पूरा वैल्यू टा पुट करा putting y put here y put here y value this one then you will add the value so these are the application of what logarithm and you know the exercise is given now practice this exercise 7f here exercise 7f you practice this one this side and this side page number 217 and 18 all you practice this if there is any doubt then you contact okay now we discuss some more derivative that is the derivative of implicit function how to discuss this one implicit function so now look at derivative of implicit function suppose a function f of xy अर्थ होची गुटे फंक्शन रे x y दिटे जा कंबाइन हे कितबो तो कोन कहंदी f of xy where y equal to f of x is said to be implicit function is said to be implicit function जदि पचरा हेबो डिफाइन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन होची गुटे फंक्शन जेडे के f of x y माने x आ y दीटा मिसी तो फॉर एग्जांपल x square y plus 3x cube y 4 equal to 5 ये जो फंक्शन रे x y मिसी के अछि एग्जांपल x y मिसी के अछि कंबाइन हे के अछि आ y टा x पर डिपेंड करछ ए केस रे ये जो फंक्शन टा कोन कहबो f of x y और implicit function को आप a function said to be what implicit function एक केस रे डेरिवेटिव केमति फाइंड आउट कराबो एक केस रे डेरिवेटिव केमति फाइंड आउट कराबो देखिबा डेरिवेटिव हाउ टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव एटा होची implicit function so one of the example you look at find your exercise 7g from the element book 7g exercise find dy by dx means with respect to x dy by dx means with respect to x we have to find the derivative so first one given xy square plus x square y plus 1 equal to 0 this is the implicit function. Why it is the implicit function? You look at here. Here xy, here also xy. A type of function ना कौन कुआ implicit function होगी कुआ. And derivative find out करें पर कोई word you have to write this. Differentiating with respect to x word लिखते हो बड़ी वो. काइंडली xy होची दीटे तक combine ही होची. आमे both रे co respect रे आमे derivative find out करें. With respect to y किंबा with respect to x. It is dy by dx means with respect to x रे आमे derivative find out करा. देखिए कि बाहर कराओ. एडी होची x y दीटे तक गुणन नहीं होची multiplication होची u dv method. Here also product form apply कराओ. एडा होची constant. So you write d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of 1 equal to 0 and d by dx of 0. 0 also derivative here. So here product formula apply karabo. Y square constant derivative x plus x constant derivative y square plus here y constant derivative x square x square constant derivative y plus derivative of one constant 0 equal to derivative of 0 also 0. Now find the derivative. X derivative dx by dx equal to 1, so you write a y square only. dx by dx kata hai, so 1 is so y square. Then x y square derivative 2y dy by dx plus then x square derivative 2x y टा constant रहला 2x into y constant रहला y ये y square जेहेतु बाहर करा जो y रो बाहर करा होची लिखा हो सिंपली कोन लिखा हो एटा हमर x square जदी बाहर करा होची कोन लिखा हो 2x लिखा हो काई 2 टा आगु आसो x लिखा हो बट y square रहला कोन हो 2y आसीबो y टा with respect to x रे बाहर कले dy by dx लिखा रिमेंबर दिस वन यदि x रो जदी x square था ना x square रे डेरिवेटिव 2x हो आउ dx by dx लिखा हो बट y square जोटी अछि सेठी कोन लिखा हो dy by dx लिखा हो एटी केता आसला 2xy प्लस एटी केता आसला x स्क्वायर एटी लिखा कोन dy by dx तो by dy by dx लिखा है dy by dx इक्वल टू राइट साइड रे कोन रहला एटा सब 0 ले हम कोन फाइंड आउट करे dy by dx फाइंड आउट करे माने एठी dy by dx रहला एठी उनी dy by dx रहला एदिन एपट रख दो एदिन को सपोर्ट नहीं राइट हैंड साइड 2xy dy by dx plus x square dy by dx is equal to it is support na kon minus is minus 2xy minus y square it common बाहर कर दो dy by dx common बाहर कर दो dy by dx common बाहर पड़े रहला कोन एटा 2xy plus x square equal to it minus common बाहर कर दो 2xy minus plus y square ए पार्ट टा को मल्टीप्लाई से पड़ गले dy by dx equal to minus 2xy plus y square by 2xy plus x square. This is the final result. dy by dx equal to this one. This is what implicit function. The next one, the another example I will do for you for trigonometry value. How to find? Question number 4, 6. Question number first of all we will find question number 4 from the exercise. What is given? Y square cot x equal to x square cot y. So here also you have to find dy by dx. dy by dx find out कराओ means with respect to x रे आरे derivative find out कराओ. So differentiating with respect to x with respect to x रे डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करले कोन हो u into v मेथड एठी तीटा अछि एटा u एटा v here also u into v u v मेथड अप्लाई करा a cot x constant derivative of y square plus y square constant derivative of cot x equal to here also cot y constant derivative of x square plus x square constant derivative of cot y. Now you find the derivative. Cot x put as usually y square derivative केते आसीबो y square 2y y रे जाय तो बाहर कराउ छी कोन लेखा dy by dx लेखा y रे जोडी बाहर कराउ छी dy by dx एडी y square cot x रे डेरिवेटिव केते minus cos x square x डायरेक्ट फार्मूला minus cos x square x here cot y derivative cot y you keep it cot y 2x derivative x square derivative 2x so x then here plus x square constant cot y derivative minus cos x square y into dy by dx y अछि तेणु करी dy by dx लिखा है सो हम कोन करबे dy by dx सेपट अछि एपट dy by dx टा अप्रूव कर दो एक पार्ट हम सेपट नै गया एक्सचेंज कर दो इट केते रहला 2y cot x dy by dx प्लस ए माइनस s माइनस एठी कोन करे एठी माइनस अछि माइनस टा को एपट बांध दे ए माइनस टा को एपट को जत आन दे एठी कोन प्लस हे जिवो x स्क्वायर cos x square y dy by dx आई पार्ट हम सपोर्ट नहीं जो एटा कोन अछि डी इक्वल टू 2x cot y आई एटा को सपोर्ट नेले कोन आसीबो प्लस हे जिवो y square cos square x ए दीटा रो dy by dx कॉमन बाहर कर दो कॉमन बाहर कर दी कि नहीं सब डिवाइड कर दो dy by dx into कोन रिलेटी 2y cot x plus x square cos x square y is equal to एपटे कोन रहला 2x cot y plus y square cos x square y ए पार्ट नहीं सब डिवाइड कर दो dy by dx आसीबो dy by dx is equal to 2x cot y plus y square cos square y by 2y cot x plus x square cos square y. So this is the result up to 4 and you complete this exercise problems 7G problem up to 8. These 2-3 problems are very important. Later we will discuss this one. Next class we will discuss these 3. But up to this mark you complete. Your question number 8 from the exercise 7G. You complete up to this mark.